Recently, I came across an article where WHO has done studies showing that India's poverty rate and income inequality percentage has gone down. That means there are less extremely poor people. It has gone down from 16% to 2%, and mostly in cities like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, and Maharashtra. But still the percentage of poor people is there. So whatever schemes were implemented to bring this index down and to improve the healthcare facilities, education facilities, living standard and all, I feel it's not enough unless these services which schemes which were implemented like Ayushman Bhava or E-Sanjeevani or Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Ladli Behna, they reach to the interior rural India where even the last person get these services. Then only we'll consider the true index has come down and poverty line is gone down. A lot has to be done. It's not enough. I think more manufacturing industries have to be put up, more jobs have to be created, and there are so many things to look into. Gender disparity has to come down, female literacy rate has to go up, and unemployed youth, literate, educated youth, for them the jobs have to be created, and there are so many poor people in rural India where still they don't get clean water, electricity, and the roads are in pathetic conditions. When we travel, we see all that interior India. So just by saying the index has come down is not convincing. This is a euphoric moment just for these studies and all. But we have to still do a lot. So that's my insight and my take. Let me know what's your view on this. Thank you.